Well, I got it off, and you know how? There was a screw hidden right here in the smokestack, and that unleashed this. So that's the third one. This is a heavy locomotive. Yeah, see, here's the screw in the smokestack. Look at the size of that screw. All right, now that that's off though, gotta check that these side rods are not out of whack. Yeah, this little eccentric piston came out. That's not fun. Oh, I see. This is not going to be easy. But this has to ride on here. Has to glide. She's got to want to glide. Yeah, she's almost on. Oh no. Now I see what the problem is. Now I see. Oh, there's a big problem. At least I know what it is now. Yep. It's worse than I thought. Imagine in all this metal, this piece is plastic. And this piece is broken. This piece is broken. Yep. This piece is broken. One of these thrusters, and because it's broken, it won't stay on here like its brother's doing on this side. See if I could take this one off. Which I don't feel bad about now because I have no choice really. Yep. It's not this piece. It's not that piece, it's this. Yep. This thing is broken. Wow. It's kind of like just worn off from too much use. Now I might actually have this piece for a different locomotive, which doesn't mean it'll work here. But the problem is all these tiny rivets and screws and things, which I might not have. I'm gonna go look at my bag of tricks and see if I have this rod. If I do, we're in business. If not, I I don't know that this can be fixed. It's like a weird plastic. It's possible though. Not giving up. Be back. Well, this has been a very strange locomotive. It was totally alive, and it keeps dying, coming back, dying. Not really dying, it's just that it's got a strange, very tight mechanism here. And it doesn't want to really work right. See, it just keeps binding. Very strange. It's gonna have to be totally redone. As soon as you